In this video of how to fix, I'm going to show you how to fix locked Snapchat account. If also your account of Snapchat is locked, let me show you a quick process of unlocking it. Now Snapchat mainly locks your account because you're violating the community guidelines or terms of service of Snapchat. If you don't know what are those, you can just search for community guidelines of Snapchat and take a look at them. They include things like spamming or including sensitive content in your account. Now to unlock your account, you can just first open up your web browser and search for support.snapchat.com. Once you search for it, you'll land on the support page of Snapchat. From here, you'll see a search bar on the top. Just tap on the search bar and search for account locked. And you're gonna get this option which says my account is locked. Tap on this option and it's going to take you inside. Now before you do anything, make sure you read all of these. There are two types of locks basically. Either your account could be permanently locked or temporarily locked. If your account is temporarily locked, you can come to this section and where it says going here, you can tap on this option and it's going to take you inside of this section. You may need to log into your account. And through this section you will have an option of unlock my account. Just tap on it and your account should be unlocked if it was a temporary unlock. Even if you tap on the unlock option and your account is still not unlocked, what you can now do is tap on contact our support team under my account has been locked because it was compromised, which means your account was hacked. Your account may be hacked but you wouldn't know. So just tap on this option and here you'll need to fill in this form. So type in your username, email address and the mobile number that is linked with your Snapchat. But the important thing is the description. Be sure to include all the details such as if your account was hacked. Also type in the description of the hack and also include that you tried unlocking your account but it did not work. So include all of those things. And then you can tap on submit. Now once you submit this request to Snapchat, if your account really was compromised or hacked, Snapchat should help you in fixing this issue and should help you in unlocking your Snapchat account. So be sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be back soon with more informative videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.